Did you know that an octopus can squeeze through a hole the size of its eyeball? It's true. This amazing feat is just one of the many wonders that make octopuses one of the ocean's most intriguing creatures. Their soft, boneless bodies allow them to contort and squeeze into tight spaces, making them masters of escape and camouflage. Octopuses belong to a group called cephalopods, which means headfoot. This name perfectly describes their unique body plan: a large head, 8 sucker-lined arms, and a mantle that houses their vital organs. Imagine a creature with 3 hearts, blue blood, and the ability to change color and texture in the blink of an eye. This is the reality of the octopus, an animal that seems to defy the boundaries of our imagination. Their skin, a canvas of shimmering colors and patterns, can transform in an instant to mimic rocks, coral, or even seaweed. This remarkable ability, combined with their shape-shifting prowess, makes them practically invisible to both predators and prey. But the octopus's bag of tricks doesn't end there. They can also release a cloud of ink to confuse their attackers, giving them time to disappear into the depths. With such extraordinary adaptations, it's no wonder that octopuses have thrived in our oceans for millions of years. Octopuses take camouflage to an entirely new level. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores, which are sacs of pigment that can expand or contract to create different colors and patterns. By controlling the size of these chromatophores, an octopus can instantly change its appearance to blend in with its surroundings. But the camouflage skills don't stop there. Octopuses can also change the texture of their skin to match their environment. Tiny muscles called papillae allow them to create bumps, ridges, and even spines, mimicking the texture of rocks, coral, or algae. This incredible ability to transform their appearance in the blink of an eye makes them practically invisible to both predators and prey. Imagine an octopus perched on a bed of kelp, its skin rippling with shades of green and brown, its body adorned with bumps and ridges that perfectly mimic the seaweed. It becomes one with its surroundings, a master of disguise that vanishes into the underwater landscape. This remarkable camouflage is not merely a passive defense mechanism. Octopuses use it to their advantage while hunting, ambushing unsuspecting crabs, fish, and other small creatures that wander too close. They become silent stalkers, their camouflage concealing them until the perfect moment to strike. Octopuses inhabit a wide range of marine environments, from shallow coral reefs to the depths of the open ocean. They are found in every ocean, from the warm tropics to the frigid polar regions. Their adaptability is a testament to their evolutionary success, allowing them to thrive in a variety of habitats. Some species, like the common octopus, prefer the rocky crevices and coral formations of coastal waters. These areas provide ample hiding places and a rich source of prey. Others, like the giant Pacific octopus, venture into deeper, colder waters, where they hunt fish, sharks, and even seabirds. Imagine a giant Pacific octopus, its massive arms spanning 10 feet or more, gliding effortlessly through a kelp forest. Its keen eyes scan the depths for prey, while its sensitive suckers taste the water for the slightest hint of a meal. This majestic creature is a testament to the diversity and wonder of the octopus world. But no matter their habitat, all octopuses share a common need for clean, oxygenated water. They are sensitive creatures, vulnerable to pollution, habitat destruction, and the effects of climate change. Protecting their ocean home is crucial for the survival of these fascinating animals. Octopuses are considered the most intelligent invertebrates on Earth, possessing a remarkable capacity for learning, problem-solving, and even play. Their intelligence is decentralized, distributed throughout their bodies, with 2/3 of their neurons located in their arms. Imagine an octopus unscrewing a jar to retrieve a tasty treat inside. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a testament to the problem-solving abilities of these fascinating creatures. They have been observed navigating mazes using tools and even recognizing individual humans. Their arms, lined with hundreds of suckers, are not just for grasping and manipulating objects. Each sucker is a sensory organ in its own right, capable of tasting, touching, and even smelling the environment. This incredible sensory input allows octopuses to explore their world in ways we can only imagine. Their intelligence is not merely a matter of instinct or reflex. Octopuses exhibit curiosity, creativity, and even a sense of humor. They have been observed playing with toys, squirting water at researchers, and even escaping from their tanks in search of adventure. Their minds are a universe unto themselves, full of wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities. An octopus's 8 arms are nothing short of extraordinary. They are lined with hundreds of suckers, each a marvel of engineering and sensory perception. These suckers allow octopuses to grasp, manipulate, taste, smell, and even see their surroundings. Imagine the delicate touch of an octopus's sucker, able to pick up a grain of rice or crack open a clamshell. These suckers are not just sticky pads, but complex sensory organs, covered in thousands of taste receptors. They allow octopuses to identify prey, explore their environment, and even communicate with each other. Their arms are also incredibly strong, capable of exerting tremendous force. An octopus can use its arms to crush prey, defend itself against predators, and even dismantle complex objects. They have been observed opening jars, disassembling underwater cameras, and even escaping from their tanks, using their remarkable strength and dexterity. But the wonders of octopus arms don't end there. Each arm has its own brain or ganglion, allowing it to act semi-independently from the central brain. This distributed nervous system allows for incredible flexibility and coordination. An octopus can be doing multiple things at once, each arm operating with a degree of autonomy. Octopuses are skilled hunters, using a combination of camouflage, agility, and intelligence to catch their prey. Their diet consists mainly of crustaceans, mollusks, and fish, but they are opportunistic feeders and will consume almost anything they can overpower. Imagine an octopus stalking its prey, its skin rippling with the colors and textures of the ocean floor. It approaches a crab, its movements slow and deliberate until it's within striking distance. In a flash, it lunges, its arms enveloping the crab in a deadly embrace. Octopuses have a sharp beak, similar to a parrot's, which they use to inject venom into their prey. The venom paralyzes the victim, making it easier for the octopus to consume. Some species, like the blue-ringed octopus, have venom potent enough to be fatal to humans. But octopuses are not without their own predators. Sharks, seals, sea lions, and even larger octopuses all pose a threat. When threatened, an octopus will use its camouflage to blend in with its surroundings, release a cloud of ink to confuse its attacker, or even detach an arm as a decoy to make its escape. Despite their solitary nature, octopuses have developed complex ways to communicate with each other. They use a combination of body language, skin patterns, and even color changes to convey messages. Imagine an octopus flashing a brilliant display of colors and patterns, its skin rippling with iridescent hues. This visual language is used for a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to warning rivals. Each species has its own unique vocabulary, a secret code only they understand. They also communicate through touch, using their sensitive suckers to explore their surroundings and interact with each other. A gentle touch can convey affection, while a firm grip can signal aggression. Their arms, with their distributed nervous systems, become extensions of their thoughts and emotions. Octopuses are also capable of learning and remembering complex tasks. They have been observed solving puzzles, navigating mazes, and even recognizing individual humans. This intelligence, combined with their remarkable communication skills, makes them one of the most fascinating and enigmatic creatures on Earth. Humans have long been fascinated by octopuses, their intelligence, and their alien-like appearance. They have been the subject of mythology, literature, and art, often portrayed as mysterious and powerful creatures. Imagine the Kraken, a legendary sea monster from Norse mythology, said to be a giant octopus or squid capable of dragging ships and their crews to the depths. This mythical creature reflects the awe and fear that octopuses have inspired in humans for centuries. In modern times, octopuses have become a popular subject of scientific study, their intelligence and adaptability captivating researchers worldwide. Their ability to solve complex problems, use tools, and even escape from seemingly secure enclosures has challenged our understanding of animal cognition. However, our fascination with octopuses should not come at the expense of their well-being. As we learn more about these amazing creatures, we must also recognize our responsibility to protect them and their ocean home. Despite their resilience and adaptability, octopuses face growing threats from human activities. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are all taking a toll on these sensitive creatures and their ocean habitats. Imagine a once thriving coral reef, now bleached and barren due to rising ocean temperatures. This is the reality for many marine species, including octopuses, as climate change continues to impact our oceans. They are losing their homes, their food sources, and their very survival is at stake. Pollution from plastic waste, agricultural runoff, and industrial discharge is also poisoning their waters and accumulating in the food chain. Octopuses, as predators at the top of their food web, are particularly vulnerable to these toxins. Overfishing is another major threat, as octopuses are increasingly targeted for human consumption. Their popularity as a delicacy in many cultures has led to unsustainable fishing practices, depleting populations and disrupting marine ecosystems. Protecting octopuses and their ocean home is not just an ecological imperative, it is our moral responsibility. These intelligent, sentient beings deserve our respect and our efforts to ensure their survival for generations to come. Imagine a future where octopuses continue to thrive in healthy, vibrant oceans, their populations stable, and their habitats protected. This is the future we must strive for, a future where humans and octopuses can coexist in harmony. We can all play a role in octopus conservation by reducing our environmental footprint, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans. Small changes in our daily lives can make a big difference. Supporting organizations dedicated to marine conservation, educating others about the importance of ocean health, and participating in beach cleanups are just a few ways we can make a positive impact. The future of octopuses, like all marine life, hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. By understanding the threats they face and taking action to protect them, we can ensure that these intelligent and enigmatic creatures continue to inspire wonder and amazement for generations to come. Imagine a world where children can still marvel at the sight of an octopus changing color, where scientists can continue to unlock the secrets of their intelligence, and where these ancient mariners can continue to navigate the depths of our oceans. Their existence a testament to the diversity and wonder of life on Earth. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that chooses to protect our oceans and the incredible creatures that call them home. The time for action is now. The future of the octopus, and indeed our own, depends on it.